know if I'm actually in the camera view here, but all the way down here in Texas, and come down here for vacation and end up working on everybody's shit because, well, family comes first, and I do stuff with family all the time. That short little video I just made took me only 20 minutes to change the master cylinder in here, but I got to fill it up with fluid, so that job's not completely done, but it wants me to check all the fluids. And the best way to check the fluids on this diff here is by taking this whole bumper off. So hopefully I can pull all this together, put that little short video together, and then I'm going to do a time lapse of me taking this whole front end off here, filling up the brake reservoir, checking the fluid in this front diff here, checking the coolant, taking all this off here. So let's see if I can get all this stuff together.